sure you will again agree to this. Manager Finance, Mr. Pratham Kumar. So he's in this organization for last 10 years. And yeah, he's the person. He's all of you. Please see him. So he's going to introduce his team.
अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट से हैं चल रहा है तो हमारा छोटा सा काम होता है कि महीने के बाद आप लोगों को खाते में एक मैसेज टिक हो वो कहाँ से आएगा उसके लिए हमें देखना पड़ता है फीस से लेनी पड़ती है लोगों से जबरदस्ती उसमें आपका भी रोल है बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं थोड़ा सा ही है 10% ही होता है चंदा मैम का है तो हम लोग तो आपके सेवक हैं कभी भी पैसे की जरूरत हो कभी पैसे कटवाने का सोच हो तो हम लोग तैयार रहते हैं
Again, Patonji was one of the person the list who was there with us for 7-8 years. So he joined back a couple of years before. So a highly dependable person and very reliable and honest man.
Yes.
Accountant in this school since 8 years. I am the role of basically revenue fee of students. Revenue receipts. Collections. Revenue collections.
Most important department. No expenditure, only revenue. Good.
अरुण जी हम आपका ना
To read something in Punjabi. Okay, so we have with us now Mr. Manish, IT coordinator. Manish is yet to complete a year and he is doing a marvelous job. Again, working without a word, whatever and whosoever asks work from him, he is there to deliver.
No, ma'am, you're wrong. Not whosoever. Ma'am, she don't know the secret. No, we all tell him and he does the work.
No, he is the backbone. So all the stuff that I have to do, I can speak, I just need to speak and he just does it. So he is the magic worker.
Yes. So when we ask for all SOPs and when we are not able to find the correct final edited SOP, so we know one person whom to go to. We have, is Shikha present here? Shikha, she's gone up. Okay. And Neha. Neha, please come forward. Neha is our medical nurse and again the most important person in the school, especially for the children. And of course for teachers. So Neha, you are in this school for last 3 years? Yes. So that's Neha. Reshma ma'am, we've called you, no? So this is our team of SWS. I hope we've called everyone.
Name the electricians and the bursar also, so then the entire thing is covered.
You come and do the honors.
So we have 3 electricians working with us, Mr. Ravinder, Mr. Kapil, and Mr. Jagdish, who is always on a round, and one person, Mr. Somer, who does the outside work for the school premises. So they all are under the estate manager and reporting to the IT manager. Thank you, ma'am. That is Mr. Sombi, who is the housekeeping supervisor. Under him, we have 45 people working in the housekeeping department. So he's not here right now, must be on the ground. So that is it, which completes the admin team.
So that's the team of SWS. Once again, wishing you all the best for the coming session 2025-26. And with this, let's create a dynamic and an inclusive learning environment for all of us and for the students whom we are going to, shape the young minds and nurture them. Thank you so much. And before we move on to the next ceremony, I would request Principal Mrs. Punanjeet Kaur to come and say the vote of thanks.
So we are in good time. And what a wonderful set of people. And it is really my proud privilege and honor to be sitting here as the leader of this team, which has, the way they have put in their efforts, the way they have worked, I have no words for that. And by the way, just to let you know, this is not my farewell party, okay? So this is man's welcome party. I am waiting for your speeches. Yes, so this is not a sad occasion where we are saying farewell and all that. I am very happily here for the next 2 months, supporting Ruchika ma'am to lead the school for many, many years. So this is a welcome party only, and as you can see, we've got the cake waiting. I remember I had come here and sir, ma'am and the leaders were here for my welcome, and I'd cut the cake in the AV hall only. That was just 7 years back. Oh my God. So welcome Ruchika. It is such a pleasure to have you. And believe you me, this team is the most amazing team that you can find, not only in the Tri-City but in the country. So amazing, amazing team. I feel so proud. And believe me, you were talking about passion. The passion that I have for this job, for the school, for the team members is such that it keeps me awake till 2 and 3 at night also. So we never see the time, we never see what the job is, whose job it is. We are all together, always going that extra mile to ensure that the children are happy. So what I tell the parents and what I tell the teachers always, and all of you are here to witness it, is that if the child is happy, the parent is happy. So our goal is only to make sure that the children are happy as they learn. Learning, of course, is our objective, so that is important, but the process has to be very, very happy. So thank you so much, all of you, for joining us today. The new members, welcome. It is an amazing team, and believe me, you will be standing here next year proudly saying that we've been here for 1 year, and it's been a wonderful experience to work here. So thank you so much, Sir Sandeep sir, for bearing with me, or the vice versa. So sir is amazing. Our combination is opposites attract, I think. He's the maths person, I'm the linguistic person. I have no clue about maths. So sir को फिक्र हो जाता है कि 2 + 2 4 होएगा कि 11 होएगा. And I am the person who is into languages and social studies. So the team has been strong, and now with the IT, I think that will be stronger. It is wonderful to have new people join us, and I always believe change is for the better. We always should adapt, adopt and move forward, because good things are waiting to happen. And I know that SWS, I will keep hearing about it. Again, this is not my favorite speech. This is a welcome speech, because Ruchika is a friend, so I will get to hear the news and I will know what you guys are up to. So do the best and be yourself and be the best versions of yourself. And I am going to miss you guys. No farewell speech. Come.